Okay, let's start. Alright, good work. It works. Good. My friend from Turkey to ask me that how to use the chopstick. Yeah, so it is a very difficult one. Like this. I'm using a pen, but a pen will be a best practice tool for when you use it in the school and so on. So like originally like this. So like it. This one is like a last final model, or like final usage of like a native Japanese people or Chinese or Korean people use. And the like this. Okay. At first I will teach you this one. Yeah, this one. This is how to use. Many Japanese people will learn how to use a chopstick from the first how to hold the pen from it. Like a pen is normally hold like this. Yeah, so like this, it works good. And going back a little bit. Going back. I hold the pen at this part, but I hold the pen fully at the middle like this, and this is optional. And then if you hold the pen, it will be like secured. This part, and this part, and this part. These three parts are the securing the pen like this. Good. So if I hold, and like after that I will add another pen. To like make it a chopstick. And first is like going to slide it down this loop, and secure it at the ring finger. So like that. So lower part is like secured by three parts mainly. At first is like an first bone of the ring finger, and the second bone of the thumb here, and the fist part, kind of. And like these things were secured by the three parts, mainly by that lower part of the chopstick, and like upper part is like secured by the thumb of this part, and like and the movement is like mainly used into index finger and middle finger. Like this. But like if you get used to it, like the secured at the beginning, is like a securing part will be like a very lower part like this. Secured like this. If you like that word like this, it will be okay. If you are not to get used to it, so like that. If you use lots of time, these parts will go up a little bit then, like this. So and like a very important part is like this. This one. If I use the pen, the part will go so fast, like three parts will be combining at the same line. but when you use a chopstick, like the part will be like the thumb part will be a little bit behind of the movement of index finger and middle finger, because like these two parts are like the moving parts mainly, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and like only like that the thumb will be like a secure the upper parts, and like a lower part will be secured by the ring finger and the thumb, and this one gets bottom mainly, and like upper parts will be secured by the thumb part, and like movement will be like following a little bit forward, and that and the index finger and the middle finger is like going a little bit forward than the thumb, and because of the movement, so like it moves smoothly, and like that an upper part is like only secured by the thumb finger and like other two movements. These are the so like that and like another. This is the first step, and the if you like that, then how much pressure we need is like a very important part to use a chopstick, and like bottom part, green pen, will be like that. Then security is better. So like the firmly security is better because like it does not move at all. Like that part which will move is like mainly like the upper part like this, yeah. So like that upper part is like very very not firmly, so like it will be a kind of a gentry and a softed movement, just to be on the like a holding, yeah. So like that the pressure between the three finger to use the to use the upper part of the chopstick is like depends on the thing which want to pick it up. So like if I want to pick it up like the soft stuff, so like that it will be needed less power to hold it. But like on the other hand, like if I want to hold it like the meat and something, like very hard stuff and something, it will be like the secure is like very important, because like if I cannot secure it, it will be falling down. So like that, it's just like very important part. So I got the pressure like that, and if you at first you will like the practice. So like that, if you would remember how to use it, that would be very difficult. But like if you use it many times, you will get used to it a little bit then. So like that, you will catch and use you will capture by the chopstick various range of thing. That would be very interesting for you. So like that, that will be like the practice. Yeah. So like the Japanese people never use when they were born. They have a practice for many years, of course. Okay. So like this one is like the last model is like this, yeah. Okay, so see you, and this is how to use a chopstick. Take care, bye bye.